Okay, so as you can see, this thing packed quite a bit of a punch. I did end up turning it down when I was welding the two pieces here on. As you can see, the weld definitely went clean through. Pardon my generally bad welding, but the weld definitely was successful on this part. I've got a little bit of a thing here, and you know, relatively messy because I don't weld every single day. But if you're doing welding at your house or something like I am, or if you have a hobby that requires some welding from time to time, this thing should do you pretty well. So hopefully this video review has been helpful for you. Thanks for watching.